Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best cordless impact wrench for look nut you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many cordless impact wrench for look nut and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each cordless impact wrench for look nut so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a cordless impact wrench for look nuts. First, check the torque power because removing look nuts requires strong torque, usually above 200 ft-pounds. Second, look at the battery capacity and type since higher voltage batteries give longer runtime and stronger performance. Third, consider the weight and grip design for comfort during prolonged use. Fourth, review speed settings and variable triggers for better control over tightening and loosening. Fifth, examine the durability and housing material to ensure it can handle tough conditions. Lastly, choose a brand with good warranty and reliable customer support. These factors together help you pick the right cordless impact wrench for your vehicle tasks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tool guides.